We learned in an earlier module in this course how to enable and work with Writeback, but we also need to implement security to control who can and cannot perform Writeback operations. To grant Writeback permissions, we need to assign a user to a role and then configure the cube access to allow both read and write operations. We also need to give the role process database permission because remember, when Analysis Services commits a transaction, it's also going to process the database to update the cube storage. Then the next step is to set up the applicable dimension security. In this example, we're using the dynamic security that we set up in an earlier demonstration in this module, but this step is optional. Dynamic security is not required to implement Writeback security. Also, if we're allowing dimension writeback, we need to specify read-write access for the affected dimension. And of course, we need to control access to specific measures by setting read-write permissions on the Cell Data tab. Then we're ready to test Writeback to make sure we have the security configured correctly.